Whether you're planning ahead or managing a small project, this template keeps your resource planning clear and simple. It reflects Primavera's resource management features, but in a more straightforward and easy-to-use format. First, update the resource list. You can change the resource ID, and it will automatically update in the resource assignment table. If you update the resource name, it will also show in the drop-down list used to filter resource usage. Next, set a resource limit or the maximum number of resources available per day. Make sure the numbers match your project site's current capacity. If you plan to add more manpower, update the data as needed. If resources are limited, you can adjust the manpower in the resource assignment section. Try reducing the number of people assigned to certain activities to stay within your limits. Just remember, this won't change the activity usage profile unless you also update the budgeted units. Adjusting the assignment only redistributes the existing units. To add new activities, just scroll to the bottom of the list and enter the details. These will automatically update in your reports. The activity usage spreadsheet automatically distributes the budgeted units you've entered. You can also copy and paste your schedule from other software. To delete a schedule, simply right-click on the row tab and click Delete. You can also change other settings, like working hours per day or the schedule timescale to fit your project. We regularly share practical Excel templates and tutorials like this one. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. Join our list to get the next release straight to your inbox.